I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Adore Beauty promo codes. So let's get started. So Adore Beauty is another online beauty product shop which sells skincare products, perfumes, and etc. And you might be wondering on how you can grab a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up the following and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to this first website, CouponFollow. Alright, so once you're here, that's the logo for the Adore Beauty, and then you're gonna see many codes here. So the first one says 20% off using Adore Beauty coupon code, so you can click on it. And this is the coupon code for getting a $20 off, so you can copy it, click continue to the website, and use this code at checkout. Similarly, there are other codes as well, for example, 50% off using this code. So this code will give you a 15% off, so you can go and give this one a try as well. There are many other codes which you can explore as well. So yeah, now I'm going to head over to other websites and show you a few more codes. Well, then there's this website rethrift.com, so you can click on it. And these are for September, so these are gonna work as it's 2nd September. So the first one is 50% off orders above $25. So the success rate is 55%, so it might work or might not work depending on your luck, but you can always give it a try. So you can click show code, and this is the code for 50% off above all orders above 25. So you can copy it and use this at checkout. Similarly, there are other codes as well. For example, free shipping above orders 129. You can copy the code and use this at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.